My main point for today is do something about your ideas by writing them down in a notebook, in a cell phone. Hi guys, good morning. I'm currently here at the Provincial Assessor's Office. I'm processing the tax deck that I got yesterday, and I'm going to convert it and finalize it so that it will be an official tax deck for the properties that we subdivided. And it's a bit late. It's already like almost 11 o'clock. Hopefully the people in the government are still not taking a break because they had no lunch break. And I hope it's also cheap to pay for tax declaration. Depends actually in the property, but I hope I can get like a discount. I have a contact there that was given to me by the people in Consolacion Municipal. That it happens that somebody working there has a relative inside the Provincial Assessor's Office, so I'm hoping that they can assist me. Also, within today, I just started, every morning I start doing my prayer time. I always ask myself things. I always ask the Lord, what are the things that I need to do, and I thought of something very important, which is having a rhythm in your business life, like a daily flow. What you do in the morning, what to do during this time, what to do in the afternoon, what to do in the evening. So what really helps me is taking down notes like this. Especially that now that I'm trying to go to increase more my engagement in social media, my personal brand. So I'm trying to create a plan. It's not easy actually. It really takes an effort to do it. It takes extra time, extra hustle, extra creativity, because you have to think of the ways how would you let out the content, or in what way this should be in a status or a text. Should it be in a long article type or a blog type, or should I put it on my website and share it on my Facebook, or what should I do with Instagram? What should I do with stories? It can be daunting, but it really helps me when I write it on a notebook. I know it's very traditional. Some people will cringe, oh, Jake Berry is a social media mentor, an online mentor, but he writes it down in his note. Whatever, I don't care. Me, I like writing it in my notebook because it helps me. It helps clear my mind. It helps me put into concrete plan my thoughts, my ideas. So I don't know about you, but I enjoy having notebooks with me. I enjoy having my schedules. Oh, I have my schedules in my Google Calendar, but I also enjoy writing it down in my paper, in whatever, and the whatever notebook that I have for that. Usually 3 months, 6 months, I usually finish this in 3 months, 6 months, but I write everything there, my thoughts, my ideas, So I enjoy putting everything in writing, so I get a clear picture, I get an idea, I get an execution plan. Just like now, I'm writing what should I be covering, or what should I be doing in my FB, my Facebook timeline, in my Facebook page, my Instagram, and how does it differentiate from my Twitter and my YouTube, so it's something that really helpful. So for me, it doesn't matter what kind of technology you use, or if you don't use technology for your notes, as long as you write down your thoughts, your ideas, and then you evaluate them if it's effective and if it's useful or not. Anyway, as I'm going to the assessor's office, I'll take you through my day, and I take you through the things that will be needed if ever you process a tax declaration for new properties or new lot that you have. apparently there was somebody who had a birthday and I was able to join that birthday. Currently in the provincial assessors and I'm waiting for the tax declaration, subdivided tax declaration, and they say that I will get it within the day, so I will wait for it until I get it. So it seems that the document is taking longer than expected, so I'm just gonna go outside and take some lunch and see how hot it is. This is the Philippine sun. And by the way, again, for those who just watch, I'm currently in the Provincial Assessor's Office, or the capital of Cebu Province, and I'm processing the tax declaration document for a subdivided lot for our business in Consolacion. So I'm gonna take lunch in what we call a carinderia. In Tagalog, it's called Turo-turo. So join me. So I'm choosing this store. Kaya daghan ko Sudan. And there's a lot of vacant space. So I'm gonna eat some. This is how it is when you're in a carinderia. So many people lining up for food. And while I'm waiting for my order, I'm observing all the people that are eating different options, different choices. So that's what's good about the carinderia. Since all the food are already cooked, you can already choose what you want. So my food is here, and I chose sinugba and larang for some rice. So this is the common staple food for Cebuanos, larang, sinugba, or in other words, it's grilled pork and fish soup. I don't know what it's called I'm sure it's not available in different countries, but it's in Cebu, it's called larang. It's so yummy. So I'm gonna eat now. See you in a while.
Aboy, 35.
Yeah. Larang,
35.
dua ka nun.
Dua ka rice, 35 sa 20. Ito pa ka nang
Sila ka nan? It's 84 pesos. So instead of waiting for the document, I am now going back to the office because apparently the approval will take some time. So I got the contact number of the person that's taking care of it, and we'll call back if it's already approved. So this is how it is when you're processing documents. You have to be patient in waiting for it. So patience is not only a virtue, patience also produces a good attitude and the right conduct. So I'll be back and going to proceed with my schedule for today. I'm gonna finish a few of the content that I'll be making for this Saturday's training for the realty, and hopefully a part of the book that I'm trying to create. So see you in the office. Bye. So I'm back in the office right now, and just a bit sweaty because I came from walking to a store and finally decided to buy a new bag because my old bag for 2+ years got severely damaged already here. It's got a hole because I put a lot of stuff. My wife always tells me that how can you say that things that you own will last long if you put too many stuff. So I'll show you here. That's there, and it's really bad outside. I chose to buy a a camera bag, so that it's a camera and a laptop bag in one. I think it's sturdy enough, and as advised by Ariel, shout out to Ariel, this is enough for vlogging. So it has compartments for the camera and the lenses and all the stuff, and of course I need a place for the laptop and documents and maybe batteries or whatever. And the outside I can also put some stuff outside, notebooks, pens and everything. And also the important one is on the side I can put the tripod, or in my case the Gorilla Pod. So for me it's not really about much of the brand name or the kind of brands that we buy. It's more of the, for me it's really more of the quality that we buy, so that we can spend our money wisely. So the next thing to do is to transfer all my stuff from the old bag to the new bag. I'm done. And I'm still in the office. It's about 7+ p.m. I'm currently watching I'm joining a webinar about mutual fund investing. So in the Philippines, it's one of the things that you can really go through is the mutual fund market is doing really well, especially that the market this year is a bit down. So I'm going to be listening. Anyway, I hope you learned something today, and I hope you take my advice on writing down your ideas and writing down notes. My main point for today is do something about your ideas by writing them down in a notebook, in a cell phone. I heard Ariel ganina talking about writing it down. Some people write it down in their Samsung S9 pads or in their iPads. As good as that sounds, it's not really applicable to me. So, but I'm telling you not to follow my advice, but follow what's comfortable to you. What's really important is that you are able to put your ideas in record and evaluate them and think about them again, revisit them again, then apply the things that are for you usable for your business. Again, this is Sir Chubby helping you become an entrepreneur one day at a time. Bye-bye.